I'm going to show you how I take this wig from looking like this right here to this. If you want to see how I do it, please keep on watching this tutorial. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, kindly click on that subscribe button right now before we get right into the video. The hair we're working with for this tutorial is Vietnamese dono hair, and this wig is made with two bundles of hair and a 4x4 closure, 14-inch, both of them. So I'm going to start by cutting the ends of this hair because the tip is really scanty. So I'm going to cut it out to sort of level it out and also make it have a fuller look. So after cutting out the ends of the wig to make it sort of fuller, what I'm going to do next is to start styling the wig, and I'm going to start from the back side. I'm just going to section off the up part of the wig, use my hair clips and clip the hair away. The style I'm trying to achieve with this particular wig is wavy, and the beauty of this particular hair is I can choose to style it straight just the way it is. I can wear this hair to be straight. I can also choose to wear this hair to be wavy, but I want to style this straight hair to be wavy. I'm going to moisturize the hair using my Moroccan argan oil serum and also spray my heat protectant spray. Next, we'll be coiling our hair using this hot coiling wand. This is a 22mm wand. The coiling method I'm using for this tutorial is different from the typical coiling method I typically use. And this coiling method is the inward coiling method. With this method, I wrap the hair on the inside of the coiling wand, and I take the coiling wand upwards and just hold the hair up there until it gets really hot. Then I take off the coiling wand and clip the hair. I'm going to walk you through how I coil this hair for the next process. Just watch me clip the hair away and I'll show you how I use this particular coiling method. So I'm going to take a small section of hair, comb through it, and I clip in the hair in between the coiling wand and the grip on the side, and I roll the hair all around it, and I keep trying to move the hair until the tip of the hair has been sucked in. Then I roll it up completely and I hold the heat on the hair for a few seconds before I take it off. So I'm going to clip the hair away right now and continue the process on this particular one right here. So you can see how I clip the hair on the inside and I'm just rolling the coiling wand. I'm rolling the coiling wand. It's sort of sucking the end of the hair that's still outside. Then I roll the coil upwards until I get towards the top part of the weft. Then I hold it up there until it gets really hot. I take off the hot coiling wand and I clip the hair. After clipping the hair, I'm just going to remove the hair that was sectioned off at the up part and take out the section of the hair and start the coiling process all over again. Take note, before I coil my hair, I always moisturize my hair with my argan oil serum. You can use coconut oil or any other hair serum you typically use, and I also spray my heat protectant spray on the hair before I apply the hot coiling wand to the hair, because of course it's hot. When you're using a heated tool to style your hair, you want to make sure you use your heat protectant spray to prevent the excessive heat from damaging your hair. If you're getting value from this video, please make sure you give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed, and also share the video with somebody who is going to get value out of it. Also visit my website www.enlbeautyhair.com to purchase wigs. You want to buy makeup products from me, you want to buy my hair vendor information, you want to have one-on-one consultation with me, which is paid, you also want to probably learn how to make wigs, you want to have with me. I'm working on having one-on-one classes in August. For those who are interested, people have been reaching out to me about one-on-one classes. I think it's high time I arrange something for people who would like to learn how to make wigs, style wigs, and the business of selling hair extensions. I should work on something that people can really get value from, get all the knowledge that they need to succeed in the hair industry. So back to the process of styling this wig. You can see how I'm coiling the hair. After I finish rolling up the coils, I leave the heat for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. I take it off, then I clip the hair up. I want to finish off the rest of the hair, and that's the hair around the closure area. I'm just going to use my tail comb and section off the hair around the closure area. So next, I'm just going to keep on cutting out the hair, and after I'm done, I'm going to clip away this hair right here, which is the closure. I'm going to use my hair clip and clip it away. Then the rest of this hair right here, I'm going to comb through it, spray the heat protectant spray, apply my argan oil serum, and start coiling the hair. Just the same way I coiled the other parts of the hair, I'm also going to coil this hair right here. Watch and see how I do it. Same process, yeah, and take it up. I'm going to coil the entire thing, and we'll proceed towards the closure area. It's time to start the closure area, and I'm going to apply my hair serum to the closure and also spray my heat protectant spray before I start styling the hair on the closure. I'm trying to achieve a C part, so I use my tail comb to part the C part area, and what I'm going to do next is to clean out the parts area before I start to comb through the hair and style it. Just trying to ensure that I really get the C parts to be as clean and well constructed as possible. Yes. And take note, after I finish sectioning of the area where you want the pattern to be, you can use your needle to pluck out just a strand of hair that is lying on the part to clean out the part area. But I'm going to show you guys much later as I progress with styling the hair. So this particular strand of hair right here, I'm going to use my coiling wand to coil the hair in place. Starting from the up part of the hair, I'm just moving my coiling wand and trying to coil the entire hair all the way down to the tip. And after I've coiled it to the very tip of the hair, and the coiling wand has the entire tip wrapped all around it in full, I'm going to just wrap the coiling wand upwards and hold the heat on the hair for a few seconds before I take it off. I'm just using that hair wax to lay down the flyaway hairs so that the hair stays sleek and really nice. I'm just rolling the coiling wand all around the hair. After rolling it all around the hair, what I'm going to do next is just to pull out the coiling wand from the hair. Yes, then I'm going to use my hair clip to clip it. Yeah, I'm going to also do the same thing for this hair right here, and I'll also do it on the other side before I finish the coiling process of this. If you're getting value from this video, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. So I use the hair wax again, and I spray the heat protectant spray, and I'm going to start coiling this other side of this hair right here. And taking this closure right here, what it's doing for me is just to cover up the wefts. So before I start coiling it, I sort of straighten the hair a little bit and flatten around the closure area, and I'm also trying to comb through it. Then I want to use my tweezer now to tweeze a little bit of the hair around the closure area to make it look more natural and not so thick and full at the front part of the closure. So I just twist it a bit. I comb through the hair to take away the hairs that were cut out. Then next I'm coiling the hair all around the hot coiling wand. Yes, coil it all around, and after the hair stayed there for a few minutes, or rather a few seconds, I took out the hot coiling one and I clipped the hair up. So next I'm going to use that T-comb right there, or rather the tail, my T-pin, to section off just one strand of hair around the parting line, and I'm just cutting out the hair. Then next, this part of the hair right here, I'm just going to further tweeze it a bit. Tweeze it, tweeze it, tweeze it, tweeze it, tweeze it, tweeze it, tweeze it. I'm going to come through the hair and I'm going to coil it after I've used my hair wax to lay the short strands, and flattened it with my hot coiling wand. And I'm going to coil the hair all around it. After I finish coiling the hair all around it, I'll let the hair stay on the wand for a few seconds. Then I take it off and clip the hair up. Yeah. After I finish doing that and just trying my best to ensure that I leave the clips on the hair for at least a day. If you can leave it for 30 minutes, 1 hour, it's fine. If you can leave the clips on the hair for at least 1 day, 2 days, beautiful. It's going to also ensure that your curls last longer. So after clipping the hair away, this is what everything looks like. Then after the next day, I'm taking off the clips from the hair, and after taking off the clips from the hair, what I'm going to do next is to comb through the hair and style it, and I'll show you the finished look of the hair. Would you prefer this hair styled as straight or styled wavy the way it is right now? Let me know in the comment section. Do you like wavy hair extensions or you prefer coily hair extensions? I think people are beginning to feel like I tend to prefer wavy hair extensions to straight hair extensions, but I actually like different type of hairstyles. I don't just like a particular style. But the beauty of wavy hair is it has a way of making your hair look very full, and I think I typically like very full hair type. That's the reason why I tend to style my hair wavy on most occasions. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just trying to flatten the closure area to ensure that it looks as nice and neat as it ought to. Just style around the closure area, and after I'm done styling all around the closure area, I'm gonna come to the rest of the hair, and you can see the finished look of this wig. It's so beautiful. I love how bouncy and wavy it is. I love how fluffy and effortless this entire wig looks. And this wig right here is made with donor Vietnamese hair. This is hair you would use for a lifetime. You can even keep this hair for your kids to use after you're done using it. Like, the quality of the hair is really there, and I love that it's a closure wig, meaning that it wouldn't stretch in terms of when you want to wear it. It's a ready to wear wig. Once you put it on your head, you can go about your business without having to do anything to it. So if you want to purchase this wig, you can reach out to me on Instagram on @Enlbeautyhair. Enlbeautyhair. You can check out the description box to see how you can reach out to me on Instagram to purchase this wig, or even to reach my website to purchase other things I have available for sale on there for you. That's going to help you on your hair business, or just going to help you present yourself better in the world. This is the finished look of the wig. Please make sure you smash this like button on this video, and let me know what you think about how the hair looks, if you prefer it straight, if you prefer it wavy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life.